Hey guys, what's up? So to reach the top best rates, he's 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called Pro Gesture. You have App Switcher, Battery, supports iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, and the SE. You have increased the dock icon numbers. Gesture, style original, to scale modern, miniature, hardware button, home bar, keyboard, lock screen, status bar, miscellaneous, app style, camera UI, round screen corners, landscape rotation lock, no icon fly, no icon labels, no launch app animation, no page dots, per app settings. You have these new settings right here. So yeah, pretty cool. This is called A Shields and protect your device. So it allows you to lock the connectivity modules on your control center or lock your apps, and you're connected to a specific Wi-Fi network. You can turn off the protection. This is called Speak Notification, and is ultimate notification and more speak experience. It allows you to announce any incoming notifications in a fully customized way. You can listen to any received messages, emails, Facebook posts, game set invitations, or even speak out your incoming calls without touching your device. This is called Quick ANC. Simplifies the way you switch between transparency and noise cancellation mode. Before you have to go through the control center and then toggle between the different modes, but now with Quick ANC, it's just one tap away. I also want to mention with A Shields to the updates for the version 1.5 was add mask detection, and it fits a bug when using the show lock icon. The next is called Play Hour, and it combines the key colors of your music player for a customized listening experience. You have music player backgrounder or background music player borders, so that's how it looks. This is called Summer Pro, and it's a package that includes more than 70 mods, so you can customize all this right here. You have keyboards, battery, main, lock screen, top bar, switcher, settings, phone application, Twitter, camera, messages app, Instagram app, city app, Safari app, photos app. This is called Pause on Mute, and supports iOS 8 to 14. Automatically pauses your music when you turn the volume down to 0 and resumes it if you increase the volume again. So pretty cool. This is called Yana and Strawberry Cupcakes, and upcoming events, notes, and weather in your control center. This is called Icon Anus, preserve custom icon layouts by springboard crash or reboots. And one of my favorite tweets, guys, finally came out. I'll have a separate video on this. It's called Reprovision Reborn. Provision is undertaken via the user's Apple ID credentials. Supports both paid and free development accounts. These credentials are stored in the user's keychain for subsequent reuse, and are only sent to Apple's iTunes Connect API for authentication. So this is basically it's reborn because Reprovision does not support iOS 14. But now this one does. This one supports iOS 9 to 14. So, and it's also pushed to now it works a lot more stable and better. And yeah, so if you have iOS 14, you can't use Reprovision. But now with this is your only way of using Reprovision because it supports iOS up to iOS 14. And yeah, it's supposed to work pretty well. Even I think better or as good as the old one. I know the old one, the original one, which is by Matt Clark, is not being updated anymore, which is just called Reprovision. So, basic settings to configure alerts shown by automatic resign-in, ability to sign any .ipa file, download through Safari from the device, support for resign Apple Watch applications, 3D touch menu for starting a new resign routine directly from the home screen. Why Reborn? Because the project has been EOL, which end of life, that's what it stands for, which means that developers are not going to update anymore, developers are done with the project, or done with the tweak in this instance, and I have resurrected it, which means he basically brought it back to life. One thing to note is that I do not intend to update for non-iOS. Perhaps an update for iOS makes it incompatible with other operating systems. Please don't bother the original developer about our issues on this version. Changes: adds support for iOS 14, adds support for ARM64 devices, fix errors related to certificate, and fix sign-in issues. So, I think it's all signed by Riley Testa. So yeah, it's supposed to work really, really great. Cautions: Reprovision Reborn is not for piracy. Absolutely no warranty or guarantees provided. The software is provided IS. So this is so cool. Fits a crash when using bold test options. So this is basically all the updates for the original update, and then we have it's just got updated twice just today because it just got released. So pretty cool, guys. Supports iOS 9 or later, like I said. So in the package repo, she's called Roadrunner, and I'm pretty sure it basically allows you to keep I think the app open, or the app open when you respring. So when you respring, everything refreshes. It stops that from refreshing. So if you're on the app, it basically stays that way. As if when you respring, then when you go back to the app, it's still open. That's how it should work. So if music is playing when you respring, I'm not sure about music, but the music should not stop playing because it should keep the app open in the background even though the device is respringing. This feature is called Etienne Live, and a new way to create Etienne HTML widgets. This feature is called Emoji Font Manager, and needs to be installed. Emoji Port needs to be installed this week. I'll just override system's emoji font without swapping them. This feature is called Adaptive Dark Mode. A better dark mode experience can activate dark or light mode based on the conditions you specify. This feature is called Smart Light. Activate flashlight with buttons. This feature is called PH toggle off. Automatically toggle off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth once you switch off personal hotspot from settings. This is called Photon. True ambient display experience you deserve. So pretty cool. You'll be all about it. This is called Easy Dialer 14. Compatible with iOS 14. Update for iOS 14. Verify on iPhone 8, 12, iOS 14.2 and 14.3. Low iOS versions should use Easy Dialer, not this one, Easy Dialer 14. So you have T9 searching contacts by substring of number, enhanced call history by coloring call duration, and dual SIM dialing option. This is called Wi-Fi QR, supports iOS 11 to 14, generates a QR code for Wi-Fi networks directly in the Sense app. So pretty cool. You just literally just share Wi-Fi or whatever. So this QR code comes up, your friend puts on the camera app, scans it basically, and then automatically they connect to the Wi-Fi. So it just makes like sharing like your Wi-Fi like really easy. And this is called Open Alphabetic List Confirm. So a tiny tweet that gives you a chance to ask confirm for opening the apps if you tap accidentally on their table view when scrolling the app library alphabetic list with a soft haptic feedback. This is called 360 Fake Location. Allows you to fake your GPS location for your apps and games. This is called Snapper 2 and works with iOS 12, 13, and 14. So what this does, it allows you to take a screenshot. There's all the features right here for it. But you can just take a screenshot and have like a float in, so you can do other things with it. You can copy. If iOS 13 above, you can actually has an option if you copy the text on there. You also can like scan a QR code by the text that you copied. I mean the screenshot that you have floating. So pretty cool. You see right here, it's exactly what it does. You have a screenshot floating right there. And yeah, so you can also like block things. You can do like what this tweak is one of my favorite tweets. It's so easy to use. So adds functionality to open URLs from OCR automatically by default. Increase gap between controls slightly. Fits a bug with trash control was not animated back to the original size when used. This is called AIA, cleans up notification banners and widget platters. Supports iOS 12 to 14. This is called DynaWall, and amazing wallpaper app with plethora of features. Tries to be one-stop shop for everything related to wallpapers. This is called AllStore, and it's a reprovision alternative. Allows you to sign apps, so you can have them, basically non-jailbroken. You still be able to use them. So perfect if you sign the jailbreak apps. You can just get back to jailbroken state when you're non-jailbroken. So yeah, you also would need alt theming from the dynastic repo right here to use this without the computer. This is called What This 2 for WhatsApp, all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. Supports iOS 9 to 14. You have these features right here for WhatsApp. This is called 5-column home screen 13, and comes out iOS 13 for iPhone. Adds a 5th column of icons to the home screen. Icon support fixes required. Please add package repo. So you can see adds 2, 3, 5 in the bottom. And last week is called Jelly Lock, and that's also lock screen replacement. Gives your iPhone and Android Jelly Bean lock screen. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. And the last week is called Dual Clock, and allows you to have a second clock to the lock screen and status bar. So you can have like 2 time zones, on your lock screen. So you guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.